Can this and this give me an extra 50 horsepower? Well, according to the experts at 9M, yes it can. We just plug the dongle in, go onto your app, take a read from the standard file on the car, that gets sent back to 9M, they tweak the file of whatever you've asked for, and that's it, done. They'll let you know when it's all back and ready. So with that, let's go and have a cup of tea while we wait. And while you're waiting, why not like and subscribe to our channel, as there's plenty of the car content on there to watch. Hello?
Hello mate, it's Peter at Ninemeister. That file's been sent to you. Good to go.
Oh, mega, cheers. So I've got it back, plugged it back in. All I have to do now is upload the file and hopefully I'll have 50 horsepower more. Let's get it on and let's see what's like. Unfortunately, I don't actually have a dyno, so bum dyno will have to suffice for the time being. Rest assured though, I'll do some independent testing at a different dyno at some point, along with some draggy timed acceleration. Sounds absolutely amazing now. They also do the Stage 1 package, which includes no hardware whatsoever, and that goes up to about 435 horsepower. As you can see, I've had the Stage 2, which is 455 horsepower and 455 newton meters of torque. Can be a little bit more with additional mods like the rear back box I've had, but it's well worth doing. They also do Stage 3 tuning with licensed flywheels and bits and bobs like that. Plus, they do the 2 litre and 2.5 litre Cayman and Boxster tuning upgrades too, as you can see. All the information's on their website. It's worth checking out.